a simple image formation model. In this topic, we are going to discuss how image will be formulated. The images are denoted by two-dimensional function f, x, y. So where f is the value or amplitude at a particular spatial coordinates x comma y. Okay. And this spatial and this value, whatever we are taking here, f is a positive quantity. And f x y must be non-zero and it should be finite. That is why f x y value will be ranging from 0 to infinity. So the function f x y may be characterized by two components. The first component will be the amount of source illumination incident on the screen being viewed. Okay, how much illumination is incident on the screen, that will denote the value of f, and how much illumination is reflected by the object in the screen will also be characterized by f. So the amplitude will be given by two terms. The first term is how much the illumination, how much energy from the source is incident on the screen, that is the first one. How much energy is reflected by the object, okay, in the screen. So these are the two parameters that will decide what is the value of f. So the first component is how much source energy is incident on the screen. So that is called illumination component. Whereas the second component is how much energy is reflected by the object in the screen. So that is called reflectance components. So the f value will be denoted by two components, illumination component and reflectance component. Illumination component we denote with I of x comma y. Reflectance components we denote with R of x comma y. So these two components will be combined to obtain fx comma y. So fx comma y will be given as I of x comma y into R of x comma y. So it is the product of illumination component and reflectance component. So the illumination component value will be ranging from 0 to infinity, whereas reflectance value will be ranging from 0 to 1. So we know that the reflectance value will be bounded by 0. What is 0 means? It is totally observed. So there is no reflectance. So the object is not reflecting any energy. That is called total absorption. So the value will be 0. And when the value is 1, the reflectance value is 1, then it is called total reflectance. The total value is reflected. Okay. So for 0, you will be, for black, we will be having the value 0, where there is no reflectance at all. For white, we will be having the value 1. So where there will be total reflectance. So the nature of I of xy is described by the illumination source. I of xy value will be determined by illumination source, whereas R of xy will be determined by the characteristics of imaged object. Okay, so it is depends on characteristics of image objects. So here we are just telling the reflectance, yes or no. So sometimes the image will be formed by a transmission. For example, if you see the chest X-ray, okay, CT images and all, the how images will be getting here by transmitting the source illumination energy through the media. We are getting this images. Okay, so in the case of transmission, instead of reflectance reflective component, we will be having transmitting component. Okay, so the value will be same. So if it is 0 and 1, the value will be ranging from 0 to 1. How the reflectance value will be ranging, same way. Okay, so for the intensity of monochrome image at any coordinates, you take any coordinates, say this is the image storage. So at any coordinates x naught, y naught, if you just find out what is the intensity value of image at that coordinates, it will be given as L. L is the intensity value at the coordinates x naught, y naught. So it is f of x naught, y naught. Now, if you see this value, L value will be limited by some range L minimum to L maximum. Okay, so L max will be taking the value between L minimum to L max. And whereas L minimum is the positive quantity, L max will be a finite value. Okay, L max should not be infinite here. So what is the interval? The intensity interval will be ranging from L minimum to L max. Like this, we will be denoting. This is called interval. It is called grayscale. Okay. So usually this grayscale will be represented like this, 0 to L minus 1. So what is the value, lowest value? L is equal to 0. No? L is equal to 0 is considered as black, whereas L is equal to L minus 1, where L minus 1 will be 255. It is considered as white in the grayscale. So this range is called grayscale. So whereas all intermediate values from 1 to 254, we have intermediate values, no? Those will give you different shades of gray values, okay? So from black to white, we have different shades of gray values. So those values will be denoted from 1 to 254. So how the image will be acquired, acquisition is denoted here in this figure. So here, this is the source that will be illuminating the energy. So the energy will be uh, energy is falling on the object. Object is reflecting some energy. Okay. So here, if you see, the intensity value depends upon both illumination energy, how much it is illuminating on the source, and how much the energy is reflected from the source. It depends on both. So now using image systems, this image will be placed on the image plane. Okay. So this image plane is what? This is nothing but digital image. So like that, we are getting a digital image by just mapping this object onto the image plane by using image system. So this is the format that we are getting the digital image.